Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have a 12-minute HIIT workout, 4 exercises, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, 3 times through. It's just as simple as that. We'll get started in about 20 seconds right now. So we'll get going. Make sure you're warmed up, shake it out a little bit. We got a few seconds. We're gonna start off with some jump squats. So you're gonna lean down to the floor and jump up. Nice and easy. If you can jump high, I can jump high. No problems, guys. Let's get going in 5, 4, here's 3, 2, 1. And just go down and coming up. That's all I want, down and up. Nice and easy. Boom, boom. Remember, it's 40 seconds of this, so that's 40 seconds of jumping. Make sure you pace yourself. Keep it up. No weights today. All body weight, 12 minutes long. Let's get moving. 15 seconds left. Stay with me. Keep jumping. Nice and easy. If you're just squatting down, quite all right. 3, 2, 1, and we got 20 seconds off. Now we're going to spider push-ups. Push up in the center. We're gonna bring one leg up, push up on that side, push up in the center, one leg up and back and forth. 40 seconds, remember, push-ups are tough. Make sure to pace yourself. I'm going to do the best that I can. Start off with a center push-up in 3, 2, 1. Give me a push-up right here. Bring your leg up. Push up, center, push up, and the other side, and up. That's round number 1. Ready, center, leg up, center, leg on the other side, and up, and center, boom, leg up, stay with me, center, 10 seconds left, and we got one more push-up, and let's call it right here, 3, 2, 1, all right, stay down on the ground right here with me. We're gonna be in a squat position, gonna kick back. Give me about 5 mountain climbers. Back to the squat position, show me your hands. 40 seconds of that. You guys ready to go? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So start up in the squat, hands up, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom, back up, hands up, and kick back. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, hands up, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up, back. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 seconds left. Up and back. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Let's finish up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right. Standing up. Woo! Heart rate's moving, feel good. We got a forward lunge. You're gonna come back to center. Then gonna lunge to the side. A little bit. I don't have a lot of room, so I'm going diagonal, all right? You guys ready to go? Then we're gonna switch legs. Forward lunge. Boom. Center. Side. Center. Switch legs. Forward. Back. Side. And back. And switch it up. Boom. 1. Side. 2. And forward. 1. And work it with me. 2. And up. Switch it up. There you go. And side. Come on, guys. 15 seconds left. 10 now. Let's do one more on this side. And we'll have enough time to finish up the other side. Perfect timing. Let's go. 1, 2, side, and back. And now we take 20 seconds off. And we're back to the top. Squat jumps in 10 seconds. Oh yeah, heart rate's running. I feel good. You guys ready to go? In 5 seconds, count down with me. 4, 3, 2, 1. Get in position and down, up, and up. Little jump. 1. If you can't jump, no problem. If you can jump higher, more power to you. Keep going. There we go. Whew. Keep it up. bend down and up, explode up. 15 seconds left. Keep going, keep going. Come on, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're getting down on the ground for our spider push-ups. Remember, push up center, leg up, push up, center, push up, leg to the other side and push up. How you guys doing? Keep it up. After this, we're gonna be officially halfway done with the workout. Let's get going in 5. How you do it? 3, 2, 1. A little different position for me. Let's go. Boom, 1, leg up. Boom, leg center. Push up. Other leg up. Push up. Notice how I'm pacing myself. 1. I cannot do constant push-ups for 40 seconds. It kill me. If you're going faster, once again, more power to you. Halfway. Leg back. Let's do one more. And over. Time for one more standard push-up. Woo! All right, we're going to our kickback mountain climbers. Stay right on the floor. Catch your breath. You don't have to talk like I do. Slow that heart rate down. Relax, we got 5 seconds and we get going. You guys ready to go? Squat position and kick back. And let's go for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Squat up, hand up and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, hand up, keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ends. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up, hands up. Beautiful. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands. 3 seconds left. Let's just finish the mountain climbers. 2, 1, and we relax. Woo. All right, get up, get up, get up. We're going forward and side lunges. My side lunge, like I said, I'm not very flexible. It's diagonal. I like to go more to the side. No flexibility, no room. So 2, 1, let's go. Forward, back, side, back. Switch legs, and back, and side, and back. Back, side. There we go. Forward, boom. Side, knee all the way down to the ground on this one. Forward, boom. Side. Keep it up, you guys are looking good. Forward. 10 seconds left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last round. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're resting. All right, got 20 seconds left. 2 rounds down. 1 round to go. We're almost done. We have 4 minutes of total time left. All right, squat jumps in about 6 seconds or so. You guys ready to rock and roll? 3, 2, 1. Down and little jump. Down, little jump. Down. Stay with me. Boom. Boom. Reach down to the ground. Fingertips touch the ground. Come on, keep moving. Stay here. Good job, everybody. Stay with me. 15 seconds left. Keep it up. Almost done. Last time we're doing this. This is it. This is it. Keep it up. Don't stop now. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we are resting. All right. Spider push-ups. Last time. Get down on one knee. Let my heart rate come down a little bit. It's rushing pretty good. Those are tough. Good times. You guys ready to go? 4, 3, 2, 1. Push up. Up. Leg. Push up. Pace yourself. Push up. The other leg. And up. That's what I like to see. Keep it up. Center. Left. Center. Right. 15 seconds left. Woo. Center. Left. Center. Right. Center. One more time. Left. All right. I'm feeling it all over. Feels good. All right, kick back, mountain climbers. Less than 10 seconds. Stay on the ground. If you get up like I did, squat position and kick back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Hands up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Hands up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Hands up. 15 seconds left. Keep it up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands up. 10 seconds. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands up. Last one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whew. All right, one more exercise left, guys. 1 minute of total working out left. Piece of cake right now. Whew. Nice deep breath. Let the heart rate come down. The faster your heart rate comes down, the better shape you're in. All right, 1, and let's go. Forward, back, side, back, and back. Good job. Come on. 1, 2, side, and back. Forward, side, back. 20 seconds left. That's it, and we're done after that. Boom. Forward, back, side, back, forward, and back, and to the side, and back. Last set, guys, last rep. To the side, and back. We got 3 seconds left. I'm gonna call it right here, guys. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. Make sure to come back, break another sweat with me, and I'll see you guys then.